What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones, aka I Tech You Out here again with another informative video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Dingtone and IMO HD on your TextNow wireless starter plan, which is the $9.99 plan, and I'm going to show you exactly that I'm on this plan and everything, which network. I'm on the T-Mobile network. All right, and I'm gonna turn off the Wi-Fi board. To get you all started, you may need some internet, depending on if you don't know how to use, APK. If you don't know how to use the APK website, you can also install these apps right from the APK without Wi-Fi. And I will show you guys that this works. Also, go back to my previous video and you'll see that it worked. Okay, so no further ado, for the beginners, if you never use Dingtone or IMO, there's just another alternative for messaging and video chatting and calls and texts and stuff like that. But these do work 100%. I'm gonna show you. All right. So if you need Wi-Fi, turn on the Wi-Fi. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. All right. You want to go to the Google Play Store. All right. You want to type in IMO. Let's set up IMO first. Okay. Then you want to install it. Okay. You want to install it. All right. Then once you install it, you want to set it all up. So get it all linked up to your phone. Then you want to go to the settings, and then you want to make sure everything looks legit, everything looks straight. All your settings that you want are set up correctly how you want it. All right. Okay. So here we are, and that's the TextNow phone number I'm using. All right, and you can invite friends. You can make a new call. Okay. So it's ringing. All right. Or you can do a video chat. Okay. All right. So all that is working so far. Let's just go ahead and send a text again. Okay. All that is working. Alrighty. So that's all set up. Boom. Simple, right? Then go to Dingtone. All right. This is what Dingtone looks like. So, all right. You want to go back to the Google Play Store. Type in Dingtone, and it should be the first one that pops up. It's going to look like this, Dingtone Inc. All right. You can read the description, all that on your own time. But install it, open it up, let's set it up. All right, so this is your main messaging. You can add new message right at the top, send whoever you want. All right, you can go ahead and favor somebody. All right, you got the dollar. This is where you're gonna call your Dingtone users. Okay, or a landline, whichever one you prefer. All right, right here is more. This is where it's going to show you your ID, all of that extra stuff. So you want to go to your settings. Okay, you want to go to account settings. All right, you want to make sure everything is legit and is linked up correctly. You can change your call settings. You can change it to call back at your TextNow number. Free calls to US and Canada, turn that on. You can set up voicemail. You can set up call forwarding. All right, we got the call forwarding set up to the TextNow number. Okay, that's legit. All right, and you also can get a Dingtone phone number too. I forgot to mention that. Yeah, you can send invites to family and friends. You got walkie-talkie. You got conference call recording. Like I said, you can invite friends to Dingtone. Send the love. All right, and you got your contacts, you got your phone book, okay, and your messages. So let's send a message. Okay, we got all that squared away. All right, and that was my other device. So what I'm gonna do now is turn off Wi-Fi and watch the magic work. Okay, so Wi-Fi is off. Wi-Fi is turned off. No Wi-Fi. All right. Okay. Once again, for more proof, I'm on a talk and text plan. As you can see, talk and text plan. And My balance is $20. So that's the credit I have. So I don't even have to pay anything for the rest of the year on this account. I don't even care about this account. All right. So here we go. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm on a talk and text plan only. Once again, let's go through it real quick for you. Gotta wait for it to load up. Boom. Talk and text plan only. Billing payment balance is $20. So I got $20, like I said. Manage your plan, whatever. All right. So that's more proof that I'm on a talk and text plan. Now watch this. Okay. All right. Sent that through. Okay. All right. Sent that through. All right. Check this out. All right. Let me see. Let me see. All right. I want to go to settings. Go to live. Watch this. All right. So I got live. Okay. So here it is. All right. You can video chat. Boom. Pow. You can call. You can text. Let me see. You can call. Boom. Watch this.